Hello to everyone who watched the previous video. Today we are going to keep exploring ways to grow your deposit. I'm talking about methods that any beginner can handle, and this time I will show you an indicator that works great with binary options. First, let's figure out the theory. We can see our indicator, moving average. Let me close it for a sec. Okay. And now we will set up the parameters. We need an EMA cluster. It's a basic moving average on pocket option. Now we can see our settings. We don't need to change our style now, but remember, EMA length in our strategy we will be using period 50. What is the moving average exactly? It's a smooth line that visualizes all the movement on the graph. We can sometimes see intersections of the price and the moving average. And our trading strategy lies in that intersections. We will open a deal every time the price has an intersection with the moving average, but only if we have a strong downward, like in this example, or upper movement. Let's discuss this movement thoroughly. We can see that the price bounced off a resistance level here, and then it started to fall. If we saw that on live trading, we would open a deal every time the price met the moving average. We could have one here. Yes, here. Also here. And then here. Here we would lose because of a local flat movement, which is pretty obvious, I may say. But yet again, we have a downward movement, and our strategy begins to work the moment we see a strong trend downward. Well, win here, and then here, and then here, and here. But you can see that they would lose here. Why? Because of the changing trend. The price began to rise. Let's sum it up. We can see 3 losses. It's bad, right? No, because we see 7 winning occasions. Think about it, 7 versus only 3. And I'm not talking about these 3 losses, which we could have also avoided. This strategy will pump your deposit like never before. And now let's jump right into the practice. If something isn't clear for you, don't worry, I will show you every aspect of the theory on real trading. And let's get started. We will remove the line chart and switch to candles, 15 seconds. Trade time is 1 minute and we are entering at 50%. One indicator here, moving average. We will change its period to 50. And then change the style to yellow, thickness free. That's what it looks like. Now let's add currency pairs so we're conveniently lined up at the top. And off we go. Okay, great setup. I am opening a long trade because we see a strong upward trend and we are approaching the moving average, which serves as a support line. And we will bounce off it. That's the whole strategy. And let's watch. Yes, it's gone up. Excellent reaction. We immediately have a large margin between the price and the entry point. Looks fantastic. Yes, 25 seconds left. Okay, the price has frozen. It's loading. It's in green. Yes! The trade's ours! I got a bit nervous. There are the lag. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Yes, here is a great setup and I'm waiting for reaction. Opening a long position. The situation here is similar to the previous one. I'll explain now. The provider's been a huge pain. Oh, okay, all good. We see fluctuations, but it's an obvious upward movement after 16th 41. Yes, fantastic. 1 second, and the trade's ours. Great result, guys. Here we had an upward trend and the moving average as support. We just entered along the trend. Nothing complicated.
Psst! Hey you! Yes, you! Wanna trade like a pro?
Then message me directly and train live with my top student. He'll review your mistakes and show you where to sharpen your skills. Save yourself time. The sooner you learn, the sooner you start making thousands of dollars a week. Perfect setup. I'm opening a short trade. We can see that seller pressure is increasing. We're in downtrend. We've hit the moving average and are bouncing off it. No reaction yet. Yes, it's going down. Finally. Okay, 20 seconds left. Yes, excellent movement. Yeah, just 7 seconds. As you can see, the strategy is very strong. Oh, yes! Yes, money hours! Fantastic! As you can see, this strategy predicts trend reversals beautifully. Yes, but it was so close. Okay, let's wait. Okay, open a short. Let me draw. We see that we hit the moving average, downward movement. According to the strategy, we've opened a short, identical situation to the previous one, exactly the same. Currently seeing buyer resistance. Come on, just go down. Yes, there we go. Just 6 seconds. I'll read that provider to shreds after this video. It's so annoying, guys. Yes, we see again on the balance. Let's look. Yep, buyers gave up at the last moment and handed us the trade. Guys, great result. Guys, I was away for 5 minutes, had a word with the internet provider. Apparently there was an issue on their side. I hope it's not affecting your viewing. The main thing is for you to see how to enter trades with this strategy. Let's keep trading. Alright, we see a nice setup here. Opening a long trade. Here a different tactic comes into play. The price is dropping in cycles. We see here that sellers are giving up. There is a strong upward trend and we will keep going up. Let's watch. The buyers are still asleep. Wake up! Come on! Yes! Yes! That's what I'm talking about. So beautiful. What a beauty! And the price continues rising, but we see that growth is strong all over, even on 15 seconds. Okay, yes! The trade's ours! There was no other way. Okay. And let's go. Here are our trades for today. Yeah, look at the results. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, all profitable. Very clean profits. With what we can wrap up. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video motivated you to keep learning about trading. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Your activity warms my heart, and see you next time.